Henceforth, we will not refer to ourselves as just mere compatriots. We will refer to ourselves as brothers. And as we go forth in battle, whether on the field of sports, in the field of politics, in economic endeavors, we must hail Nigeria. And so we are all saying today, Mr. President, Nigeria, we hail thee. There is no better place to commence this revolution of going back to our genealogy than the National Assembly, made of very patriotic, not just representatives, but elected representatives of the people of Nigeria. The voice of the National Assembly is the voice of Nigeria. So we welcome you. On that note, sir, we will allow you to greet your people because of your crowded schedule today, and we look forward to celebrating Democracy Day on June 12th with you. You just greet us. You may say what? You may wave. You may stand up and take a bow, because this is the chambers. However you do it, and thereafter, we will allow you to take your exit while we continue with our proceedings. Welcome, Mr. President.
Out of respect, I come to say thank you very much for building up to this stage, building the institution, building the country. You are the first and foremost leaders that speak for our people. And you have been in the forefront of this struggle.
Mr. President, without interruption, the members have asked me to please sit where they are speaking in chambers.
Thank you very much. This institution, the hallowed chamber, represents our consciousness for freedom and sense of belonging. You rang out the latest national anthem. Nigeria will hear thee. See, this is our diversity. Representing all characters. And how we blend together to be brothers and sisters. Without this house, probably I may not find a path to the presidency. I started all from there. And that is why I'm giving that respect this morning to you, to please continue to collaborate, work together, build our country. We have no other choice. It is our nation. No one, no age, no other institution or personality will help us except we do it ourselves. No amount of aids that may be coming from foreign countries or any other nation, they take care of themselves first. Let us work together, as we are doing, to build our nation, not only for us, but for generations yet unborn. Charting a new path. The question of program for development. I submitted the last budget to you. You expeditiously passed it. We are working to talk. I will soon bring year 2024 appropriation bill. That is just for your information. But we must nourish this democracy, build this nation, so that the future of our great grandchildren will be sure of prosperity, development, and progress. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. President. We will be expecting the supplementary appropriation bill of 2024 as soon as possible. On that note, Mr. President, to enable you to pass, I want to invite my brother, Right Honorable Tajir Abbas, the Speaker, House of Representatives, to say thank you to you before we. I would plead that the band should not lead us. We want to use our voices and get used to our new anthem. Right, Honorable Speaker. The members have agreed that they can sing. And so please say thank you to the President, and then we will now take the new national anthem with our voices so we get used to it. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our father, President Bola TINUBU, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our dear brother, Honorable Kashim Shettima, Your Excellency, the Senate President, please permit me to stand on the existing protocol already established. My own is just to say a big thank you to our dear leader, who has been very supportive of the National Assembly over the last 1 year. A true Democrat who has seen it all, a former governor, a former senator, a leader of the party, and now the president. I want you to know, Your Excellency, that we in the National Assembly are very, very happy with your report card, with your performance so far. The National Assembly is very, very thankful for the partnership that has existed within the last 1 year between you and us here. It has been a partnership that has been mutually beneficial to all of us. It is a win-win, and that is how democracy is supposed to be played. We want to thank you for finding time to come here in spite of your tight schedules, and to assure you as well that the National Assembly will always be supportive of your noble objectives. We will always be there to support you, to partner with you, and to collaborate with you. We want to thank you for bringing back our national anthem, the one that we grew up with. I'm talking about those of us who are above 60, 50, above 50. And for the young ones, I'm sure by the time you sit down, read it line by line, word by word, you will see why it is very, very important for Nigeria to revisit its former national anthem. Because it inspires hope. It inspires hope. If we can follow to its logical conclusion, Nigeria will be a much greater nation. So thank you, Your Excellency, for coming. We will be looking forward to being with you on June 12th to commemorate 25 years of democracy in Nigeria. Thank you so much, sir. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Mr. President, because we are Democrats, I would like to put the question. The Speaker has just mentioned something that those who are below 50 years may not know much about the old national anthem. So can I put the question? Those in support that the band should lead us to sing the new national anthem adopted by both chambers of the House of Representatives and the Senate, can I hear you? Say aye. Aye. Those against, that is those who are saying we should use our voices. Can you say nay? Okay. As Democrats, the ayes have it. So may we now rise for the national anthem.
Distinguished honorable colleagues, we are going to the library complex now, so please kindly avail yourself there. Excuse me. We are going to the library complex now for the commissioning, so please, everyone is invited there